So the make money online niche is one of the most popular niches on YouTube, and a popular sub niche of that is apps that pay you for doing absolutely nothing, or methods of making money online where you don't have to do anything. So if you search for example, apps that pay you for doing absolutely nothing, you'll find a ton of search results on YouTube about apps that will literally pay you to do nothing. So for example, here's some search results: 7 apps that pay you automatically, you do nothing. Here's some other search results: apps and websites that pay you to do nothing, 6 best Android apps that pay you to do nothing, and more of these results where you can see where people are saying there are a ton of apps here that will pay you for doing absolutely nothing. Now the question is, are these creators real, and are these videos real, or are these apps actually legitimate, and can you actually make money online without doing anything? And the answer is yes, but disclaimer here, I will say that most of these apps, they do require some initial setup before you can actually make money for doing nothing. And so technically you're not getting paid for doing nothing because you have to do something. And also you're only gonna make a few cents here and there if you do nothing. Whereas if you're an active participant in the offers that these apps have, then that way you can actually make some money online. So in this video, I'm gonna break down 7 or 8 legitimate apps that you guys can use to make money for doing nothing or almost nothing online. And these are apps that are available worldwide. You can have them on your iPhone or Android device, and sometimes you may actually be able to install some of these apps on your PC or your MacBook so you can earn money while doing almost nothing. Now, before we go any further in the video, I want to say that most of these apps are going to require you to install the app on your phone or on your computer, and then you get paid for doing simple things like walking, and the more steps you take, the more money you earn, or simple things like monitoring your health, and from the information they receive, then you could get paid. So again, while you could get paid for doing nothing, technically you are actually doing something, and you're incentivized to do more to actually make more money. So first app that we're gonna take a look at is going to be this app. It's the EarnApp. And here you can get paid by simply just installing this app on your device or devices, and you're basically sharing your data with this app, and you get paid for doing so. So just to give you an idea of how this works, it says when you run EarnApp, you agree to allow Bright Data, which is their parent company, to use your IP address to collect public web data from the internet in exchange for getting paid without having to do anything. Major companies pay to use your IP to conduct business activities like market research, website testing, and price and product comparisons without getting restricted by their location or misled by their competitors. And so your IP address is never used for any malicious activity, nor is your personal information ever accessed or collected. And EarnApp is also whitelisted by major antivirus companies, and they're also certified by AppSteam. So this is basically what they're doing here. You're sharing your data, and they're using your data to access websites for testing, for doing market research or other activities, so they can collect data on their competitors and not be misled because of their IP address. So basically, for an app like this, all you really need to do is to install the app, and then you get paid for basically doing nothing by simply just doing what you normally do on the internet, and you can get paid on the back end. So that's how this works. Now this is the EarnApp, and I'll leave the link down below to this app so you guys could go ahead and you could look into this. But also, I know you guys may be wondering if this app is actually legitimate. So I was able to find this one on Trustpilot, and this app actually has 3.8 out of 5 stars in terms of reviews. They have reviews like this: recent reviews here, just made 6 days ago, exciting app, I like this app. It told me I earned funds to redeem. I hope I get my funds. Getting paid to listen to music, among other things, is fun. Again, most of these apps, they'll pay you for doing nothing, but you're only gonna make a few cents here and there, as opposed to if you actually take the offers that are in the app, which could be doing simple tasks like listening to music, watching ads, or leaving feedback for websites or products, and then you could actually make more. Other reviews here of this app and website are nice. Customer support is very great. more reviews here, gave me the money they promised. Payout option is very easy, unlike other apps which make it difficult for some reason. Only problem I have is they reduce the income for non-US countries to, this looks to be 10 cents per gigabyte, which this person really didn't like. Again, if you try to make money here by doing nothing, this is more than likely what you're going to be making, just a few cents per gigabyte of data, and you're not really going to be making a lot of money. However, if you do actively participate in the offers that the apps have, then you can make some more money by doing that as well. Now, secondly, another app which is kind of similar here, where you're simply just sharing your data, is Pawns.app, and here you're doing kind of the same thing. So it says you pay for internet bandwidth that you don't use. The Pawns.app can automatically transfer your unused bandwidth to other users and pay you for it in cash, Bitcoin, and gift cards. People and businesses around the world tap these connections to overcome geographic barriers. We make sure their activity is monitored and not tied to you, and you earn extra income every month. Also, the app runs in the background and uses minimal resources, so it won't affect your internet speed or your device's performance, and you won't even notice that the app is there. So here's one you can earn by sharing your bandwidth with others across the globe. And also, depending on your location, this will affect your earnings as well. But here it says you get around 20 cents per gigabit of shared internet connection. Also, you get to cash out up to $140 every month, and you get 100% legitimate passive income, and you can start earning right now. Again, if you simply do this, this is what you're gonna be making, just a few cents and not really a lot of money. But if you go into like their paid surveys or their games or other offers that are included in the app, then you can earn significantly more. So again, another really quick and easy way to make some money online. And they also partner with a lot of top brands here, so you'll get really good offers sometime from Amazon or Apple or Walmart or Spotify. And this is on average what you could be making. So this is a calculator here that shows you how much you could be making here. So again, just about $9 per month, slightly below $10 per month, not a lot of money. And this is what you can get paid for doing nothing. But if you were to do some surveys here in the app, and you did around 10 surveys per day, and you did surveys every day, then you could be making $35 per month. Again, this has to do with your location as well in terms of what surveys they'll have for you. So this is another really easy way to make money online. And although it's not really passive, this is as close to passive as you're gonna get. So I'll leave the link down below to this app, the Pawns app. And also they have a cool feature on their website here where it shows you a recent payout. So someone in Belgium just got $6.65 in Bitcoin as a payout. Someone in the United States just got paid $7.86 in Bitcoin as well. Someone in Belgium just got paid $8.25 on a Visa gift card. So again, you could get paid here and you can make some money, but technically you still have to do something to get paid here. Now, another similar app that you guys could use would be PacketStream. And with PacketStream, you're again sharing your unused bandwidth, and this allows you to earn money while doing nothing else. So here it says partnering with PacketStream, where your idle resources translate directly into passive income. It's a straightforward setup. Once you're connected, your bandwidth becomes part of a larger pool utilized by businesses and individuals who need access to a reliable and secure network. This allows you to effortlessly earn money without any additional effort from your side, turning what is a typically dormant asset into a profitable one. So you get to turn your unused bandwidth into income. And again, this is another similar website or app. I'll leave the link down below. Now, another one that I've covered probably sometime in the past is Honeygain. Here you can actually make a lot of money by playing games and completing offers. And you can also win prizes. Sometimes they have really good gifts here where you could win like an iPhone or something else that's really expensive. So as a new user, you could join and get $2 for simply just joining here. They've also been featured on Forbes, Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance, and there are ways that you can also maximize your earnings here. So for example, if you share your bandwidth, which is one of the easiest ways to make money here, you can make around 20 cents per gig, which is similar to what the other apps are paying. So simply just download the app, start sharing your unused internet, and there's no daily limit to how much you can share and you can earn by that way. Also, you could complete some daily tasks here. So you earn credits every day by completing a simple task. Just share 15 megabits of traffic daily to start accumulating rewards. Also, there are achievements here. You can unlock various achievements and claim your rewards as well. They also have a referral program as well, where you can invite your friends to join Honeygain, and you collect $5 every time they progress to the $20 payout threshold. And so the more referrals you have, the more money you can make. Also, content delivery, you can make money by the hour. This is bandwidth intensive though, and they only have limited spaces available. So there are a couple of ways here that you can make money with the Honeygain app. But again, if you're looking for that method of making money with doing just about nothing online, then it's going to be by sharing your bandwidth. And again, that's only going to make you a few cents and not really a whole lot of money. So I'll leave the link down below to Honeygain. You guys can sign up on this app and you can start earning money here in just about 5 minutes. And this one has reviews on Trustpilot as well. Just about 4.6 out of 5-star reviews here on Trustpilot or ratings. So a lot of people actually enjoy using this app to make money. And again, this is the Honeygain app. Now, another app that you guys can use would be CashRaven. And this again is another app where you're gonna be sharing your bandwidth. So earn passive income, share your internet, and earn money. Simply install the app on your device and you'll immediately start earning passive income by sharing your device's internet bandwidth with them. Their business customers are ready to pay you for your unused internet. And if you click on how it works, this will give you an idea of how this works here. So you simply download and install the app, you run the app, and you start earning passive income. And then once your earnings reach $15 or more, then you can withdraw these earnings. Now again, you may only be making a few cents here by sharing your bandwidth. So this may not be a really good way if you want to make a lot of money online. But if you want to earn passive income for simply doing nothing or next to nothing, then this is going to be one of the easiest ways to do so. Now let's take a look at some other type of apps that will actually pay you, but instead of you sharing your bandwidth with these apps, they'll actually pay you for doing other simple tasks such as walking, which is something that you probably do every single day. So for example, this app right here, this one pays you or gives you points for health actions like walking, sleeping, and a lot more. And it tracks your activity by connecting to your health apps like your Fitbit or Apple Health. And this is how you're able to earn points, and then you're able to convert those points into money. So this is another great way to make money if you're looking for an app to pay you for doing just about nothing. So again, you'll just be walking or sleeping or doing exercise or any other activity that is tracked by your health app, and you get paid for doing so. Also, if you want to increase your earnings, you could complete cards by answering questions, taking surveys, and reading articles as well. And that way you can actually make even more. Now, when it does come to time for you to cash out, you can actually redeem your points for cash, or you could send it to a charity of your choice. So that option is there for you. And again, it uses your health apps to track your activity. So basically you install the app and you just continue about your day and you build points from doing what you normally would do. Again, if you want to earn more, then you should go ahead and complete some of the surveys and read the articles and answer some of the questions. That will definitely help you to earn a lot more. Link will be down below. Now, another app that I've covered some time before is going to be Sweatcoin. And this one pays you for walking. So you walk and you earn exclusive rewards. Every step counts. You track your progress in the app, and you can also create challenges or milestones in the app for yourself, and that will help you to earn a lot more in Sweatcoins. So basically the way this app works is you install it, it tracks you by steps in your GPS location, and the more steps or the more activity you do, the more Sweatcoins you get. And then in turn, you can then convert these Sweatcoins into offers or freebies on the app. And they do have a ton of freebies and offers on the app. And you can redeem these Sweatcoins for gift cards at Amazon or Visa gift cards or Airbnb, Spotify. And sometimes you may be able to use the coins to get free stuff. So it's a really good app to use. It's also on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. And ratings here are fairly good on the Apple App Store. Over 273,000 ratings, 4.6 out of 5 stars. On the Google Play Store, over 1.8 million ratings with a 4.4 out of 5 stars. So really good, high rated app on the app stores. Again, if you want to go to Trustpilot, you could find some of these apps here. I mean, Sweatcoin is here. Overall rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars. Really good reviews here. This person has been using it for the past 4 years and they won 500 in cash prizes. So they do have these challenges from time to time where you can use your sweat coins to enter to win prizes. And so you could win cash prizes, or you could win like devices like a new smartphone or some other type of device, which is really expensive. So a really great way to make money and to get free stuff as well. What it feels like to be a super draw winner. This person was a super draw winner and they won some cash. Also another review here. They've been using it for a long time and they were able to win a PS5. So again, really good app. You can earn sweat coins, you can convert them to cash, or you can use them to redeem offers, which could be gift cards, or you could use them to enter into these challenges. And if you do win, it could be a good cash prize, or you could win like a PS5 or an iPhone or some other device that is really expensive that you may really like. So these are going to be some apps that you can use to make money online. Again, reviews here of Honeygain, 3.7 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. Very good app to earn money. This person is looking for referrals to make money here. Another review here, great way to earn passive income by just letting the Honeygain app run in the background on your mobile phone, PC, laptop. Use your earnings to cover the cost of Netflix, Spotify, or Amazon Prime monthly, or just get cash in PayPal. And for this person, this has been one of the very few passive earning apps which doesn't share their personal data, and they love it. So again, you can use a lot of these apps to make some money online. This is as close as you will get to getting paid for doing nothing online. I mean, if you want to walk and get paid for walking, or if you want to go to bed, sleep and get paid for sleeping, or if you simply just want to download an app and get paid while you surf the web or while you're not using the web by them accessing your data connection and using that, then these are going to be some of the best apps to use to do so. So with that said, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever used any of these apps below, what your experience was like. And if you made it this far in the video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. But I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.